Slimpic is being promoted as a next-gen weight loss supplement that can fix metabolism, reduce cravings, and help you burn fat effortlessly. But the real question is whether it actually leads to weight loss or just repackages common ingredients with stronger claims. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Slimpic is a real supplement built around probiotics, prebiotics, and plant-based compounds, which are often used to support digestion and overall health. However, here's the key point. These ingredients are not proven to cause meaningful fat loss on their own. There are some surface-level positives. Focuses on gut health and digestion, which can influence appetite slightly. Marketed as non-stimulant, so fewer jitters compared to typical fat burners. Some users report reduced cravings or steadier energy. For general wellness, that's reasonable. But this is where the claims start to break down. The biggest issue is overhyped fat loss claims. Slimpic heavily references hormones like GLP-1, similar prescription drugs, but it does not work at the same level. Claims about metabolic reset or fixing a hidden cause of weight gain are not scientifically established. Another concern is lack of real evidence. There are no clinical trials on Slimpic itself showing significant weight loss results. Most proof comes from testimonials and marketing pages, not independent studies. So, does Slimpic actually help you lose weight? Short answer: not in any significant way on its own. It may help slightly with appetite or digestion, but it won't produce real fat loss without lifestyle changes. Bottom line, Slimpic is a real supplement, but not a breakthrough weight loss solution. The science behind gut health is valid, but the leap to fat burning and metabolic reset is largely marketing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.